Michelle Moss, and welcome to IP Poolside Chats. Why? Because I'm in Orlando, and IP is better when it's poolside. In today's IP Poolside Chat, we will be concluding our series on trademark strength, and this will be part 3 in that series. And today we're going to be discussing marks at the highest level of distinctiveness, which are the strongest marks, which are fanciful or coined marks. And just by way of review, the thing that makes a trademark strong is its level of distinctiveness. The more distinctive the trademark, the stronger it is. The stronger the trademark is, the easier it is to register with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, and the easier it is to legally protect. So part 1 in our series, we discussed the terms with the least distinctiveness, which are generic and descriptive marks. In part 2, we discussed suggestive and arbitrary marks. And here we are today to conclude our series discussing fanciful or coined marks. So what's a fanciful or coined mark? Well, these are simply terms that are made up or coined, and they have no relation to the goods or services being described because they actually mean those goods or services. These are words that did not exist until they were coined or made up, and the only meaning they have is the product or service that they represent, and that's what makes them so distinctive. We didn't know what Verizon was until Verizon told us. Another good example of a fanciful or coined mark is Kodak or Polaroid, TiVo, Exxon, Viagra. These are all fanciful or coined marks that have the highest level of protection because they did not exist until they were created to represent these particular products or services. So thank you for joining me for part 3 in our series on trademark strength, our final section in that series, discussing fanciful or coined marks. And remember, IP is better when it's poolside.